In the last video we have discussed about nouns. Do you remember what is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, thing, animal and feelings. Already we have discussed in the last class. And also we discussed about the types of nouns. Do you remember how many types of nouns are there? Yes, we discussed about 6 types of nouns. What are they? Proper noun, common noun, yes, common noun, uncountable, countables, abstract noun, concrete noun, collective noun. So, like this we have material noun, like this we discussed totally 6 types of noun. Today, in this class, today we are going to discuss about proper nouns. What are proper nouns? Proper nouns are the particular names of a person, place, thing, animal and also names of the months, weeks, etc. So these are the particular names, the names which are specific to a person especially, and every individual will have their own name. Everybody will have their own name. That own name is called proper noun. Let us see the definition once. Names of particular persons, places, things, months, days of the week, festivals, special days are called proper nouns. See, look at the blackboard once again. What is a definition of the proper noun? It is the name. Whose name? Particular person. It is not the name of all the people. It is a name of a particular person, a particular place, a particular thing, a particular month, and days of the week, festivals, special days. These are proper nouns. Let us see some examples. For example, particular persons. It may be anybody's name like Shashi, Pawan, Raghu or anybody else. Next, Guntur. Places, names of the places are places. Guntur, Delhi, India, Vijayawada, Ongole, like this. Any places names also are called as proper nouns. And it is a name of a thing also, like mango tree or apple tree. If we say tree, if it is tree, it will be a common noun. Here we are saying particular, which tree, mango tree, apple tree, banana tree if you mention, then it will become proper. Just if we say tree, it will be only common. Now let us see the next example. Montex pen. Your pen is a common noun. Pen is common. But if you say Montex pen, then it will become proper. If you say Reynolds pen or Cello point pen, then that name of the pen is proper. If you say just pen, then it is common. Now next is names of months. Like month word is common. But which month? There are 12 months. Every month is having its own name. Like January, February, March, April, May. This every month, every name of the month is proper. If you just say month, that month word is common. Because January month, February month, March month, like this, every month will have its own name. The special names of the months are called proper. Now, days of the week. What is the next example? Days of the week. Like Sunday, every day is having its own day. Like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. These all are the proper nouns. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. These all names of the days are proper nouns. Now, next is festivals and special days are also called as proper. Like Holi, Pongal. These two are special names. These two are the names of the festivals. Every festival is having a name. Festival means what? It is a special day. Festival is common. But if you say Holi, then Holi is the proper noun. Pongal is the proper noun. Once if you observe, all what I have written starting letter is capital. If you observe this, why we have written? Because it is the rule. It is the rule and it is the clue how you can identify a proper noun. How can you, if you are writing a proper noun, first letter should be started in capital letter. Common nouns are written in only small letters, but these proper nouns are always should be started with capital letter. This is the clue you have to find out. So what is a proper noun? Proper nouns are names of particular persons, places, things, months, days of the week, festivals and special days. This is proper noun. Okay. Now did you understand what is proper noun? What is proper noun? Proper noun is a particular name of a person, place, thing, animals, or names of the special days, festival days, or names of the months, or names of the week. A particular, I am saying here particular name, not general names. Particular names or individual names are called proper nouns. And what is the clue? How you can identify the proper nouns? Yes, every proper noun is started with a capital letter. That you can easily identify a proper noun from the list. Now let us see one worksheet related to this topic. What you have to do here? Cross out the words that are not proper nouns. What you have to do here? You have to cross. Which words you have to cross? That are not proper nouns. You have to cross. You have to make a cross mark like this. What? That are not proper nouns. Now let us see this exercise. What is the first word? This is week. Week. What is week? Week is a name. Which name? Is it proper noun or common noun? Yes, it is common noun. There are several weeks. Every month will have 4 or 5 weeks. So week is a common. First week, second week, third week, like this we will say. This week do not have any particular name. Weekdays will have, like every week has 7 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Every day will have its particular name. So that days are called. That day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. These are called proper days. So is week a proper noun or common noun? What is the clue? Is it started with a capital letter? No, it is small letter. So this is not proper noun. So what you have to do? You have to put a cross mark which is not proper noun. Next word is July. What is this? It is a name. Which name? It is a name of a month. Name of a month. So it is a particular name. And is it started with capital letter? Yes. So this is proper. Next one is read. What is this? What is read? Is it a name? No, it is not a name. So it is no need to bother about it because it is not a noun. It is a verb form. It is an action word. So you have to cut this. Next one, Kerala. What is this? Yes. Is it a name? Yes, it is a name. Name of a state. And also it is started with capital letter. So what is this? This is a proper noun. Good. Next, what is this? Sweet. What is sweet? Is it a name? Yes, it is a name. Which name? Is it a particular name? No, it is common name. You can call laddu or jaggery or any badisha, any others. All the sweets are called sweet. So it is a common noun. So it is not a proper noun. It is not started with capital letter also. Next one is holiday. What is a holiday? It is a common day. Holiday is the day which you spend joyfully or holy. That holy means here joyful. Not I am saying that it is a proper. Here holiday is what it is, joyful day, a day which gives you pleasure. So when do you get holiday? Like weekends and also festival days. So is it a capital letter in the beginning? No. So it is not a proper form. It is a common noun. Ravi. Next word is Ravi. What is this? Ravi it is a name of a person and also it started with a capital letter. So this is a proper form. Next one, Diwali. What is this? It is a name of a festival and also it is started with capital letter. So it is proper noun. Next, what is this? Rainbow. Rainbow is a name of a thing. Yes, it is a name of a thing. And is it started with capital letter? No, it is started with small letter. That's why it is common. And Monday. Monday is a day. It is a name of a day. And also it is started with capital letter. That's why it is proper noun. And what is this? Teacher. Teacher. Is it a common noun or proper noun? Yes, it is a common noun. Teacher means a person who teaches you. Though it is your Telugu madam, English madam, any other subject teachers. All the teachers who teach you are teachers. So it is a common word used to tell. So this is a common noun, not proper. Next, boy. Boy is also, it is common noun. And Bhopal. Bhopal is a place of it is a name of a place. And also it is started with capital letter. That's why it is proper. Did you understand? person, things, animals, days, and also weeks, etc. And they are started with capital letter. Did you understand this? Now let us see the next exercise. Now you have to underline the proper nouns. What you have to do? Underline the proper nouns. What is the clue? You have to see whether a noun, a name is a special or individual name or it is a particular name, and also whether it is started with capital letter. Let us find out. Vicky, he is from America. What is Vicky? Vicky is a name of a person. So, is it proper or common? Yes, it is proper noun. So, let us underline. It is also started with capital letter. He is from America. Where is Vicky from? He is from America. What is this word? This is a name. Whose name? It is a name of a place. It is a name of a place. And also it is started with capital. That's why it is a proper noun. Next, see. He reached Mumbai on Thursday. He reached Mumbai on Thursday. Capital letters. Two words are begin with capital letters. M is capital here. T is also capital. First you have got the clue, and you have to check whether it is a name of a place or not. He reached Mumbai. What is Mumbai? It is a name of a place, and also it is started with capital letter. That's why it is a proper. Next one is Thursday. Thursday is a name of a day, and also it is started with capital. That's why this is also proper noun. Next one. He wished to visit Puri, Madurai, Agra, Delhi in India. What did he do? He wished to visit. What he want to visit? He wanted to visit the places names. Puri is a name of a place. Madurai is also a name of a place. Agra is also a name of a place. Delhi is also a name of a place. And India. India is the name of the country. And also you can observe that every word has been started with a capital letter. So proper nouns are always begin with a capital letter. Did you understand? Did you understand this topic? Very good. Now you have to complete this worksheet neatly and submit.